Just like lithium, beryllium also show anomalous properties in its group. That means its properties differ from rest of the elements of the group. Why? Again, because of its small size. So in this video we are going to study about this anomalous property of beryllium, that how and why does its properties differ from rest of the members of the group, and also why its properties are similar to aluminium. So let's start. Anomalous properties of beryllium. As we know, all the first members of all the groups show anomalous properties. Similarly, beryllium, being the first member of group 2, that is alkaline earth metals, also show anomalous properties. Its properties differ from rest of the elements of the group. Let's see why and how. So this is because exceptionally small size of the beryllium atom and ion. It is the first member of group, and we know size increases down the group. That means the beryllium is the first member, it is of smallest size. This is the reason for the anomalous properties of beryllium, and it forms covalent compound due to small size and high ionization enthalpy. Its size is very small and ionization enthalpy is high because of small size, so it is very difficult for it to form actually any compound by complete transfer of electrons. So rather than, it undergoes formation of covalent bonds and covalent compounds. Highest coordination number is 4, while for other members it is 6. Why? Because in beryllium there is no d orbitals. What atomic number of beryllium is 4. The electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, that's it. If we talk about, let's say, magnesium with atomic number 12, the electronic configuration would be 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, and it has 3p0. That's it. Similarly, so that is the reason beryllium has 4 orbitals in its valence shell, while other members can use p orbitals also, and it can also use d orbitals. Let's say if I talk about the next member, the lower members will find that there are p orbitals also. There are d orbitals also which can be used for bonding. So because of which, the absence of d orbitals, beryllium cannot show more than coordination number 4, while rest of the elements can use p orbitals and d orbital to extend their coordination, and they may show coordination number 6 also. So this is one anomalous property of beryllium. Unlike other elements, the oxides and hydroxides of beryllium are amphoteric in nature, while rest of the alkaline earth metals form alkaline oxides and hydroxide. That means they are basic, while for beryllium, hydroxides and oxides are amphoteric. They are both acidic and as well as basic. Again, beryllium shows diagonal relationship with the aluminium. And how? That like aluminium, it is not radially attacked by acid. Neither aluminium nor beryllium is attacked by acids. Why? Because of presence of oxide film on the surface of metal. The metallic surface, okay, this is, let's say, metallic surface. The upper part of the surface reacts with oxygen and water present in the atmosphere, and an layer of oxide is formed on the surface of metal, because of which it is not further attacked by acid or any other chemical. So this is the property which is common in both aluminium as well as beryllium. Next is, both beryllium and aluminium dissolved in excess of alkali, giving this berylliate ion and aluminate ion. Aluminium dissolves in alkali to give aluminate ion. Similarly, beryllium gives berylliate ion. So this is a similar type of properties found in both. Like Al2Cl6, BeCl2 has a chlorine bridge polymeric structure. Both of these compounds are Lewis acids. Why Lewis acid? Because their octet is not complete. If we see beryllium, it forms two bonds with chlorine. So there are only 4 electrons total in place of 8. So it can accept electrons and act as Lewis acid. Similarly, in case of AlCl3 also, there are only 6 electrons around aluminium and it also acts as Lewis acid by accepting electrons. So both aluminium chlorides and beryllium chlorides are electron deficient. They act as Lewis acids by accepting electrons, and also in aluminium AlCl3, we see the structure of AlCl6, we find that there is aluminium, one aluminium, and a chlorine, another chlorine, and there is a bridging bond, chlorine. These are bridge bonding, in which we also say 3 nucleus, 3 center, 2 electron bond. We'll discuss about this later. So this type of bonding is also available in also found in case of BeCl2. One chlorine here, another here. BeCl2. Let me write it in proper way. Okay, it is like this: beryllium, then beryllium, a chlorine, similar type of bonding is found here also, BeCl4. So this bridge bonding is found in both AlCl6 and BeCl2. So this is another similarity between aluminium and beryllium. Next is both form fluorocomplex ions. They both form this type of compound. This forms BeFO2 negative, this forms AlF6 3 negative, which is similar fluorocomplex ions. And what is the reason that why these two show so much similarity, being the members of two different groups? Beryllium comes in group 2 while aluminium belongs to group 13. Still there are some similarity between these two elements, is that they have same charge to mass ratio, and this is the main reason that why beryllium show an diagonal relationship with aluminium. Students, in case you have any doubt in this topic, you can post that question in our discussion board. For that, all you need to do is to go to the home page of Ask IITians. There you will find an option of discussion board. You have to click there. Then in the right side, you will find a portion of Ask Experts. In that, just select the category in which you want to post your question. Let's say it's physical chemistry. Then post your question here, and then if you want to attach any image, use this option to attach the image, and finally post it by clicking on Get Answer, and you will be answered within 24 to 48 hours by our experts. So students, now we know that beryllium shows anomalous properties in its group. That means most of the properties of beryllium are different from rest of the elements of the group, and also its properties are similar to aluminium. That means beryllium shows diagonal relationship with aluminium. In next video, we'll study about chemical properties of alkaline earth metals. Thank you.